Hi all, so welcome to this channel, and in this session I'll cover this topic, that is how we can read the last record of a physical file member, that is a non-keyed file in CL program. So let me show you the examples. So the first thing is the PF. So this PF is having no key, that is non-keyed PF. And if I show you the records, so there are 4 records and the last record is of ID 4. Now you will see I have written this program. So you are seeing that I am overriding the file which I declared, which is a non-keyed file, and I am setting the position to star end. So basically before reading the file I am setting the position to star end and then reading the file. But this way you will be getting error that end of file has been reached, because the pointer setting is let's say work by this way. So whenever you set the position to be star start, that is star start, then it would set here, and you will be then reading the first record first and then till fourth if you are reading in a loop. And if you set the pointer to the star end, it will set after the fourth record. So basically you won't be able to read further records and you will be getting that error CPF0864. Just compile this and then just call this. So you will be getting CPF0864. Just take F1, F10 and shift F6. You will see end of file detected for this, because you have already set the pointer to star end and you are trying to read the file. So this way you won't be able to read the last record. Let me show you the another way using the RRN. So you can see I just declared the file, and what I'm doing is I'm using retrieve member D command to retrieve the record count in that physical file member. Then I'm overriding that file with the position of the record count which I get. So for example I get 4, I'm setting the position till to the 4th record using the RRN way. So this way I'm able to, whenever I'll try to read the file, I would be reading the 4th record. Let me show you that. Just end, just copy this. Just set the breakpoint at line number 1. Call this program. F10 retrieve member description. So you will get record count as 4. So basically now I am setting the position to 4 by overriding this file. Just do shift escape 3 and then 15 and then 5. You will see that the file is overridden and the position is set to the 4th using the RN way. Now if I try to read the file, I would be reading the 4th record. As you can see, I am getting the ID as 4, so that's the last record. So this way you can see I have read the last record of a physical file member, which is a non-keyed file in CL program. So that's what I'm to show here in this video. Thank you and have a nice time.